Hey, there's a promo code in the video description to get 10 USDT free on the purchase of a Ledger product. Today, we're talking about Ledger, the French leader in hardware wallets for cryptocurrencies. You've probably heard about these super secure little devices for storing your cryptos. Ledger is a company founded in 2014 by security and blockchain experts. Since then, it has sold over 6 million wallets in more than 200 countries. Ledger offers three models: the Nano S Plus, the Nano X, and the Stax. The Nano S Plus, priced at €69, is perfect for beginners with support for up to 100 applications. The Nano X, priced at €149, allows you to connect via Bluetooth with your smartphone. And the best of the best is the Stax, with its touchscreen and wireless charging for €269. Installation is simple. Simply download the Ledger Live app from the official site, set up your device, and store your seed phrase in a safe place. Do not lose it. Next, you can install applications to manage your cryptos on different blockchains and even use your ledger with hot wallets like Metamask. Don't forget, security is paramount. Buy your ledger only from the official site or authorized distributors. To conclude, here's our opinion on ledger wallets. The Nano S Plus is truly the best value for money. The Nano X and the Stax offer more comfort, but in terms of security, it's the same for all. And despite recent controversies, Ledger remains a reference for protecting your cryptos. So that was our quick overview of Ledger wallets. Don't hesitate to use the promo code in the description to get 10 USDT on your purchase. Ciao.